is taken off his mitten and taken out the lantern of the Olympic flame. I think it is about to light up the torch.
Tendor
Is the first torchbearer
female.
She is the first torchbearer. She's a student from Beijing Sports University, and she is approaching to the second torchbearer. Is taking the torch up Mount Everest. She's holding the torch high. Well, this is the first time the Olympic torch has been lighted on the highest peak of the world. Look at it. Spectacular.